Hello friends, welcome back to my channel English by Hers. In this video I am going to share with you guys the most important question and answer in English. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First question, how are you? I am fine. I am fine. How about your work? It's going well. It's going well. What are you doing? I am doing my homework. I am doing my homework. How do you know me? I have seen you in my village. I have seen you in my village. What does your father do? My father is a teacher. How is your family? Everyone is good. Everyone is good. Do you know me? Yes, I know you. Yes, I know you. Where are you coming from? I am coming from the market. When did you come? I came yesterday. I came yesterday. Are you ill? No, I am fine. No, I am fine. Where were you? I was in Delhi. I was in Delhi. What's up these days? Nothing special as usual. Nothing special as usual. Where are you going? I am going to the market. I am going to the market. Where do you live? I live in Kolkata. I live in Kolkata. Where are you from? I am from West Bengal. I am from West Bengal. What's up these days? Nothing special as usual. Nothing special as usual. What do you want? I want a mobile. I want a mobile. What is the problem? There is no problem. None of your business. There is no problem. None of your business. What do you do? I am a student. I work in a bank. I am a student. I am working in a bank. What do you like? I like to read books. I like to read books. Is everything okay? Yes, absolutely fine. Yes, absolutely fine. How are you feeling now? I am feeling better. Not so good. I am feeling better. Not so good. Who is that fellow? He's my father. He's my father. Do you need any help? Yes, please help. No, thanks. Yes, please help. No, thanks. What brings you here? I am here to meet you. I am here for my work. I am here to meet you. I am here for my work. What would you like to have? I would like to have tea. I would like to have tea. When will you go? I will go after next week. I will go after next week. Do you want to go? No, I don't want to go. Yes, I want to go. Yes, I want to go. No, I don't want to go. What do you do in your free time? I like to cook. I like to read. What do you do in your free time? I like to cook. How is your health? I am good. How is your health? I am good. What brings you here? I am here to meet you. What brings you here? I am here to meet you. Are you married? No, I am not. Are you married? No, I am not. Do you want to go? No, I don't want to go. Yes, I want to go. How is your health? I am good. Whom to meet? I am here to meet manager. I am here to meet manager. Where are you playing? I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. Anything else? Nothing else. Nothing else. Do you want to go? No, I don't want to go. Yes, I want to go. How long it will take you to come? I will be there in 20 minutes. How long it will take you to come? I will be there in 20 minutes. Why to go? Because I have an exam, because I have a meeting to attend. Why to go? Because I have an exam, because I have a meeting to attend. What is this? This is a lens. This is a lens. How does it taste? It's delicious. It's delicious. How do you do? Pleased to meet you. Anything else? Nothing else. What time do you close? I close at 8 p.m. What's on your mind? I am just thinking. I am just thinking. When will he back? He will back in 5 minutes. He will be back in 5 minutes.